Jonathan. Jonathan. Ooh.
We are on our millionth unsuccessful attempt to get the baby to smile on camera. Every time we shut it off, he smiles. When we turn it back on, he looks at the camera.
Smile. Hey, Jonathan, smile.
Almost. Come on, get a real smile, sweetie.
Jonathan,
He's so concerned about the camera.
Jonathan, smile. Yeah.
Look at Mama.
Don't
look at the camera. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Yay! Oh, come on. Smile for the camera. Hey. Come on, smile for the camera, please. Aww. That was almost. Come on. You smile so much. Why can't you smile on camera? He's so excited that he's not smiling. I'll start it again.